Hello everybody. My new Google Pixel 8 Pro has finally arrived in mint green and I'm about to unbox it. But first a look at the box itself. Oh, I just love the color. All my phones so far have been in black or silver, but this one's unique. I wonder how it'll look like in the metal. Let's turn it over. Two seals, one on either side. Google, the serial numbers. But the box looks quite simple, as it should be. Apple phones also ship in similar boxes. And now, let's take her out. Here comes my trusty knife. Oh, you really don't need a knife. There are these tabs that I can pull. Listen to the sound. And then the next tab. Now, let's open it. Wow! There's that green again. It's fabulous! And a stainless steel finish around the camera area. Again, it's the first time any of my phones have had such an advanced camera. And you can see the little projection here on the camera tab. It looks fantastic. So there's a tab here that I can use to probably lift it up. Yes, there it comes. Inside is the charging cable, USB-C to USB-C, with a USB-C to USB-A adapter, which is good. But I'll look at that later. Let's look at the phone itself. Wow, that seems to be a part of the protective packaging that I can peel off. USB-C. Oh, all the buttons are labeled here, so that's the I love this. That's the power button. That's the volume up, the volume down. That's where the SIM card goes. That's a SIM card tray here. And the USB-C for charging or data transfer. Let's turn it over again and look at that fabulous green once again. Right, let's peel off the top layer. It is really light. It's lighter than I expected. Is there a protective film around the camera? I don't think so. But I have my screen protector and the protective film for the camera ready as soon as I finish the unboxing. I'll keep it aside. Let's see what's in the box. So that should be the user manual. That's a little box. It's not a booklet as I thought it was. Peel that off. Take it out. Oh, it is. What is this? That's the pin to extract the SIM tray. Personally, I don't think I'll be using a physical SIM anymore. I'll be switching to an eSIM now because this phone supports eSIMs as well. So there's the pin. And that is a little booklet with tiny font that I can't even read. And I certainly don't want to read that. I don't think I'm expected to read that. What does it say? Safety, warranty, and regulatory guide for Pixel 8 Pro. Okay, so I can keep these back in that box because I won't be using these. Let's check out the cables. Well, that's, like I said, an ordinary USB-C to USB-C cable, and this one here is a USB-C to USB-A adapter. Let's do the powering on ritual for the very first time. Alright, so that's the power switch. Let's turn her on. Google. Powered by Android. Well, it seems to take a while. Guess it's loading. Welcome to your Pixel. English United States, that works for me. Get started. Set up using another device to copy settings, accounts, and more from another phone or tablet. Keep it nearby. Getting your phone ready. This may take a few minutes. Couldn't connect to the internet. Okay, so what does that need? It needs connection to the Wi-Fi. Alright, let's do that. Alright, so I'm about to connect to my Wi-Fi. Again, getting your phone ready. This may take a few minutes. Checking network info. Checking info. Verify it's you. To transfer Google accounts, settings, and more, enter your other device's pattern. Your pattern is encrypted. That's interesting, so let me enter my pattern. Getting account info. Connect to mobile network. Download your eSIM or insert a SIM card now. Well, I'll skip this for the moment because I haven't applied for an eSIM yet. If you skip this step, you won't be connected to the mobile network. You can connect later by adding a SIM in settings. Skip. Set up fingerprint unlock. Okay. I agree. How to set up your fingerprint? Start. Touch and hold the fingerprint sensor. Lift and touch again. Place the tip of your finger on the sensor. Place the left edge of your finger. Place the right edge of your finger. Wow, it's doing a very thorough job of scanning my entire fingerprint. Yay! Fingerprint added. Next. Set up face unlock. Well, why not? I agree. How to set up face unlock? On the next screen, hold your phone at eye level. Let's do it. Okay, looks good. My face has been recognized or recorded. Copy data from your Android device. You can choose to copy apps, photos, contacts, and getting ready to copy. Choose what to copy. 36 GB of data, apps, contacts, photos and videos, music and other audio, SMSs, device settings, call history. Let's copy it all. There you go. Copying your data. Google services. Use basic device backup. Use location. Allow scanning. Send usage and diagnostic data. Install updates and apps. I think those are the default settings and therefore accept. Choose your browser and search engine. Okay, next. I'd like that to be Google Chrome. And I set that as default. Select a default search engine. I'd like that to be Google. Set as default. Continue setup. Get things done hands-free with Assistant. Well, I'm curious to know more about Google Gemini, which I know is not Google Assistant, but let's see what this is about. I agree. Activate voice match to use Hey Google. I agree. Check out fast with your phone. Use Google Pay. Well, I'll skip this for now. Anything else? Set up a few more things now or find them later in settings. Well, I'd like to identify music around me. Turn on. Get instant translations. I like that. Got it. Next. Stay up to date. Doesn't hurt. Copying your data. Keep both devices on and close to each other. About 37 minutes left. Finally, I've finished the data copy from my old Android phone onto the Google Pixel 8 Pro. Just to be safe, I've also attached the screen protector, the lens protector on the rear, and enclosed it in a clear, transparent case so that I can continue to enjoy the mint color. So that's the phone now in the case. Can give you a nice close up if you like. There you go. That's the mint, and that's a clear case. The lens protector is quite useful, and that's also tempered glass, just like the screen protector over here. Alright, so talking about responsiveness, this is a very responsive phone with a 120 frames per second refresh rate. This is awesome. It's the fastest phone I've ever had. There's a lot to explore. I've got to see how Gemini works on the native Tensor 3 chip. And that's a peculiarity of the Google Pixel 8 Pro, because that, like the Google Pixel 9, runs Gemini natively on the processor. So more updates in a future video.